Today, I'll show you how to create a checkout form in Squarespace, whether you're setting up an online store for the first time or looking to refine your existing setup. Having a well-organized checkout form can make all the difference in providing a smooth purchasing experience for your customers. So let's dive right in and make sure your checkout process is as seamless as possible. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the products section in your Squarespace dashboard. This is where all the magic begins, as it's the hub for managing your product listings. Once you're there, select the specific product you'd like to add a checkout form to. This will take you into the product editor where you can customize various aspects of your product presentation. Now, while you're in the product editor, keep an eye out for the checkout section located in the side menu. This section is crucial because it's where you'll set up the custom form that your customers will fill out during their checkout process. Clicking on this section will allow you to begin tailoring the form to suit your business needs. Once you're in the checkout section, you'll see an option labeled Custom Form. Go ahead and click on this. It's your gateway to adding a personalized touch to the checkout experience by asking for specific information that's relevant to your product or service. Next, you'll want to select Create New Form. This step is essential because it allows you to start from scratch and design a form that perfectly aligns with what you need from your customers. Whether you need additional information for shipping, personalization options, or simply want to gather data for future marketing efforts, this is where you'll set it all up. Now it's time to name your form. Giving your form a clear and descriptive name is important, especially if you plan to have multiple forms for different products or services. A good form name can help you stay organized and make it easier to identify which form corresponds to which product later on. With your form named, it's time to add the form fields. This is where you'll specify exactly what information you need from your customers. Squarespace provides a variety of field options such as text boxes, drop-down menus, and checkboxes, allowing you to customize the form to fit your precise requirements. Consider what information is genuinely necessary for processing orders efficiently and avoid overwhelming your customers with too many fields. And there you have it. You've successfully created a checkout form in Squarespace. By carefully tailoring this form, you not only streamline the purchasing process for your customers, but also ensure you're gathering all the essential information needed to fulfill their orders accurately. Remember, a well-designed checkout form can significantly enhance the buying experience, reduce cart abandonment rates, and ultimately boost your sales. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Squarespace store. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy selling, and I'll see you in the next video.